Okay, we're back with some quick math. We're doing some Euclidean geometry. We're going to discuss triangles and some reasons concerning those triangles, or rather the reasons we use when we deal with our triangles. So the first thing I'm going to mention is that whenever you have a triangle, there's two things that's true for all triangles. The one is your interior angle, so this one plus that one. If you add all three of these together, you end up with 180 degrees. Let's name this triangle. Triangles ABC, okay? So if you say A plus B plus C, all of this equals to 180 degrees. The reason that you use, we'll write it over there. I don't have space, so I'm going to write it at the bottom. Is going to be interior angles of a triangle, right? Interior angles of a triangle. That's going to be the valid reason that we'll use there. The second thing true for all triangles, okay? So the first one was interior, the second is exterior. So that tells me this one is equal to that angle plus this angle. Let's name this as well, AB, and let's say C1 and 2, 1 and 2. So we'll say A plus B will equal to C2. Right? The reason we will use here, also it gets written here, is going to be exterior angles of a triangle, right? Exterior angles of a triangle. So those are true for all triangles. Okay, now let's look at some specific triangles. So when you have an isosceles triangle, what is an isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is where two sides are the same. Okay, so if this is an isosceles triangle, you know two things. You know those are the same, and you also know these are the same. Okay, let's just discuss the reasons that we use here. So in one case, let's say this is A. In one case, you will be given that the sides are equal, right? So in this one, you are given that the sides are equal. Let's say this is B. In another case, that's a B. In another case, you could be given that your angles are equal, right? So in the one on top, in this one, we are told our sides are the same. In this one, we are told our angles are the same. Now understand this. If your sides are the same, your angles will be the same. And similarly, if your angles are the same, your sides will be the same. But the reason we write is slightly different, right? So if your sides are the same and you are proving angles, you are going to say angles opposite equal sides. Right, angles opposite equal sides. All right, let's just make a comment about this quickly. So what we are saying is, we are saying the angles. Which angles? The angles that are opposite the equal sides. Where's the equal sides? These are the equal sides, so these angles are equal to each other. Okay, in summary, when you use this reason, you have your sides. So we'll say here, have sides. All right, so you have sides and you're proving angles, then you go use that reason. Let's talk about the one at the bottom. Here you have your angles, so because the angles are the same, you will know that the sides are the same. All right, so there you will say AB equals AC, and your reason here is sides opposite equal angles. Sides, which sides? The sides that are opposite the equal angles are equal to each other. Right, so in this one, the angles you have, let's say you have, okay, so maybe we can maybe we can make this generalization. The thing at the end here, so this part, you use that when you have the sides. This one you use when you have your angles. Okay, great.